Now, before moving further, let us understand the concept of class pointers. Okay, class pointers means instead of creating an object to a class, we can also create a pointer to a class. Okay, so what is a pointer to a class? Let us understand it with the help of an example. So let us create a class A and let us have some variable I here. This is private by default, and in the public section let us have some function get I. It will get the value of I. So I is equal to x, and let us also have show I function. It will display the value of I. Okay, so this is a simple class, and let us create the main function here. In the main function we have class A. So let us create object of class A underscore obj. Okay, and as I said, we can also have pointers to the classes. Okay, so how to create a pointer to a data type? Suppose you want to create integer pointer, then you write int star p. It means this p is the name of the pointer which is pointed to an integer. Okay, similarly, when you want to create a pointer to a class, you write the name of the class and then asterisk symbol and then the name of the pointer. Okay, so a star p means p is a pointer to class A. Okay, so when we call the functions of a class using object, we write the name of the object. Here it is a underscore obj, and then we write the name of the function get I, and here it is expecting a value, so we write 100, and then let us call a obj dot show I also. Okay, so this is the method using which we call the functions of a class using an object. Okay, so let's run it first. Okay, so it is giving us 100 because we are calling show I. Okay, so here in this main function we also have the pointer to the class A. Okay, so when we have a pointer, it means it is intended to store the address. Okay, so let's take the normal scenario. When you create an integer pointer, it means it will hold the address of an integer. Okay, so for that you need some integer. Suppose I create integer x equal to 10. Okay, and when we write p equal to address of x, it means p will contain the address of x. Okay, similarly in this case also we have a pointer p which is pointed to a class A. It means this pointer is intended to store the address of type A, which means it is intended to store the address of an instance of A. That is, it is intended to store the address of an object of A. Okay, so let us put address of an object of class A in this pointer P. Okay, so for that let's write address of A underscore obj. So we are giving this pointer the address of A object. Okay, and now when I want to call any function of this class using this pointer, then how can I call it? For that, you have to write the name of the pointer, and after the name of the pointer, you write this arrow operator. Okay, arrow operator is a combination of hyphen, and greater than sign. Okay, so instead of the dot operator, which is used when you call a function using the object, you use this arrow operator when you call a function using the pointer to object. Okay, so P arrow operator, then let us call show underscore I. So it should give us the same value, which is 100. Let's run it and see. So it is giving us 100. Now let us change this value by calling get underscore I function through this pointer. So let's change it to 100 and again call P arrow operator show underscore I. Okay, now it should print 200. Okay, so this is the way through which we can create pointers to objects, and then using those pointers we can call the member functions of those objects.